Hey there, my name is Jordan, and this is the first episode of Random 3D Prints. Today we're going to be printing a puzzle called the Tunable Tolerance Tetrahedron Twist. I found this puzzle on Thingiverse and chose to print it after seeing a YouTuber use it as a torture test for 3D printers. The link will be in the description if you have a 3D printer and want to print your own. I am using Cura as my slicer and the print time is around 2 hours. For this print, I'll be using a 0.28mm layer height, 10% infill, 60mm a second print speed, and I will not be using supports. My current printer is an Ender 3 from Creality with a silent motherboard, glass bed, dual gear extruder, and a few printed upgrades. I will be using green filament for this print as I have already printed the puzzle in blue and purple. Last but not least, here are some of my family members trying to solve the puzzle.
Wait.
Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next one.